name is Marissa Elena Garcia Sanchez, and I'll be graduating from University of Oregon School of Law on May 21st. I'm from Long Beach, California, born and raised, and I chose University of Oregon School of Law because I wanted a school with a lot of trees. I'm from LA City, and it's pretty concrete. My favorite memory that I have while being here at University of Oregon School of Law is being a fellow for the Wayne Moore Center for Law and Politics, and I've really enjoyed being a fellow because I've got to participate in a lot of events that I really valued, and the one that I enjoyed the most was the Food Justice Conference because I want to do food justice work when I graduate. What I find most inspiring during my law school experience is the people that I got to meet, because all of the students I work with are so passionate and so dedicated about their causes. My biggest challenge at University of Oregon School of Law was learning to say no. And it wasn't because I don't know how to say no, but it's just that I always wanted to say yes to everything that people asked me to do, and there were so many events people wanted me to help put on or to help, volunteer at, and eventually I just had to learn to limit myself. My Oregon law degree is really important for what I'm going to do in the future because it helps me look at issues from a really broad perspective, and it's really interesting because we spend our whole law school education studying very specific cases, and that's how we learn. But what we're learning from that is to look at the social, legal, political, economic issues around things. My legal degree is going to help my career goals because I want to do social justice work, and social movements only progress forward when people push the boundaries. And in law school, we learn to push the boundaries and to look past the options and the choices that are presented to us. While at law school, my proudest accomplishment was last year, my classmate Alicia Garcia and I were co-directors of the Latina Law Students Association, and we planned the first immigration law symposium here at our law school. After I graduate from law school, I plan to do work within the food justice movement. Food justice is about helping people access food that is healthy and fresh, and helping producers produce their food in a way that isn't harmful to the environment. And this movement's really something I'm passionate about. I would like to thank my mom for me being here in the first place. Every single day of my entire life, she's always supported me towards achieving my dreams, whatever that was. And as I decided to go to law school, she was supportive of that, and now that I'm graduating, she's there for me when I'm trying to figure out what that job is that's going to make me happy.